Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your iPhone 7 Plus has the necessary iOS version and a recent backup. This protects data if you need to restore. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is active so downloads or updates are smooth. You won't waste time updating mid-process. If the device prompts for an iOS update, tap to download and install, then return here. Make sure battery is above 20% so the phone won't shut down during setup. Now you go deeper into accessibility. Navigate to Settings, then Accessibility. This is where touch features live. Once inside, tap Touch to reveal back tap. Assign double tap or triple tap to your chosen action. You assign something practical like Screenshot or Accessibility Shortcut because the 7 Plus lacks native back tap hardware but can use assistive touch alternatives. Make sure to test the chosen action immediately by tapping the back. If it doesn't trigger, adjust sensitivity through assistive touch settings and try again. Finish by testing the tap function in real conditions, with and without a case and while holding the phone normally. You want to confirm reliability. If taps don't register, enable assistive touch and create custom gestures as a fallback. This explains why some phones appear to lack back tap. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear any temporary glitches, then reassign actions if necessary. One quick tip: if problems continue, remove heavy cases or metal accessories because they can dampen the tap detection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.